Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning guys. I hope guys you are very well. So today I was telling about the TCS onboarding update. There was a good information regarding the TCS update, onboarding update. There was many candidates was waiting for the onboarding process. They have not received the last 2 months ago. There was no information about the TCS will be onboarded or not. But this is the month for the good for the TCS candidate who has fresher candidate who has applied for the TCS NQT or something like that. They have received the offer letter in the December session. But after that there was no information regarding TCS export for the and TCS Iron portal. But this is the week for the year the TCS having the good news regarding the mail received or not. New update for the joining in a June batch candidate. Many candidates have received the joining of the June session. There was the 8th of June and the 15th of June. Many candidates have received the joining in a June session. Understand guys? So there was a survey mail regarding the many candidates have received the yesterday and day before yesterday also. TCS export joining confirmation survey. There was a joining confirmation survey was conducted by the TCS export community. There was a TCS sent the mail regarding the joining survey, because many candidates have received the mail and many have not received this. In upcoming 2 to 3 days they will be received the joining survey confirmation mail, because TCS just want to confirm your date about the survey of you will be joining in a next month or something like that or not, there will be onboarded or not, having the places or something like that, the location and the training possibilities. So this is the mail you have received by the dear candidate. Welcome to TCS. We are delighted that you are embarking your career with TCS. We look forward to your joining us as per the scheduled date mentioned in your TCS joining letter. To enable a smooth onboarding, we request you to take a short survey today. The information requested are required to know the readiness to join TCS, the date mentioned in your joining letter. So guys, there was a joining letter. In a joining letter there was a mention of the date of the 8th of June or something like that, other date. So guys, you have to give the survey about that. There was a survey link in the below of the joining letter. There was a confirmation about you will be joining or not, you have a document verification or not, or something like that. There was an exam scheduled, because many university have just conducted their exam in the final semester of the candidate in a June session. So they are just waiting for their exam of the final. So many candidates have just delayed the onboarding due to the exam. So they will be received the another confirmation for the next joining date of the TCS export community. They will be sent the mail again, and there was a confirmation again sent by the company, because they want to know that you will be joining us or mention joining date or schedule, because many candidates have rescheduled their joining date because due to the exam or something like that, having the practicals or the. So because in a last month also there was a survey mail conducted by the company, because they was asking about their examination, because many candidates have received their survey mail regarding the documentation also or background verification also. So same thing will be happen again. So there was a information from. Guys, this is a short survey. I request you to take it as serious, because there was a survey. If you receive any from the Explore or a TCS community, and you can also get the information TCS community where help desk was there. You can get all the information what you want to do, and there was another information. If I get about the joining or something like that, then I will be further information share with you. I hope you have subscribed my channel or not, but please like my video if you like the information, or further I will share with you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan.